Martinez, but you can call me Teacher Mane. Okay, Teacher Mane. Okay. Just like a smile. Mane. So I am a Filipino. I came from the Philippines. I teach Anuban 1, 2, and 3, and Pratom 1, 2, 3, and 4. But in the Philippines, I used to teach Matayo in the Philippines and college also. So I am very happy. Teacher Mike is very happy because I was able to teach you right now. Alright? So today in English Camp, welcome to Station 1. Yes, 1. In this station, we are going to learn on how to introduce yourselves. Introduce yourselves effectively. Okay? Like when you say, for example, there is a foreigner. I am a foreigner. We don't know each other. You are a stranger. I am a stranger. We don't know each other, right? So I have to introduce myself. I will say, hello, my name is Marian Martinez. I am 13 years old. And my hobbies are reading, dancing, cooking. My favorite subjects are science, math, and I think that's all you can say. But if you are going to talk to a large audience, like this one, you have plenty of audience. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up to 100 audience. You have to speak louder. Louder and clearly. Alright? So especially, most especially if there are passers-by. Nobody can hear you. But so you have to speak up. Okay? In a loud voice. You don't need to yell like, no. But like this. Just speak clearly. Okay? And audible. Audible means you can be heard. Okay? You can be heard. Alright? So right now, I am going to sample myself. Alright? I am going to introduce again myself to the audience. You are the audience. I am the speaker. Alright? Understood? No! But anyway, I'm going to introduce Chanchu, my name. Alright? Chanchu Marian Martinez. I am 38 years old. My hobbies are, I have many hobbies. Okay? But if you have hobby only one, my hobby is singular. Only one. Okay, my hobby is dancing. Dancing. But I have many hobbies. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, many hobbies. So my hobbies are dancing, reading a book, painting or drawing. What else? Playing basketball, playing football. What else? Playing golf. Playing golf. Do you know golf? Yes, and writing poems. Those are hobbies. Okay? You can tell me or you can tell us any hobbies that you like, that you love during your spare time. Alright? And your subject, favorite subject. For example, like you like computer, math, science, Thai language subject, Chinese language subject, English, alright, sports, arts. Those are subjects. Okay? Okay? You got it? Yeah? Are you ready? One by one, you are going to stand here and you will say my name, or you start from hello. Hello, there's the camera over there. I will also video you. Okay? I will say, please look at the camera and you will say, hello, my name is Marian Martinez. I am 38 years old. My hobbies are dancing, reading a book, and painting. My favorite subjects are English, math, and arts. Okay, that's all. But if you only have one favorite subject, my favorite subject is math. That's right. Okay, and you will say, thank you, or thank you for listening. Or you can even say, kapang ka. Alright? Okay? by one. And don't forget, don't look down, don't look up, don't slouch. Okay, my name is, I am 13 years old. No, don't be like that. You stand straight, okay? Chin up. Okay, chin up. Okay, you look straight and then to your audience. Okay, look one by one, your audience, and don't forget to smile. Alright? When you say hello, okay, you can even say hi. Alright? Hi. My name is Mary Ann Martinez. I am 38 years old. Alright? So my hobbies are, or my hobby is, my favorite subject is math. That's all. Thank you. Or thank you. Alright? Ready? Start from here? Yes! Come on! So, you can do it. Again, all together, put up chan, okay? Yes, repeat after teacher, repeat after me. Okay, my name is? Okay, very good. You say your name, alright? Good job, you got it. Okay. Yes, and then I am you. I am 38 years old. How about you? 13. Okay, you say it. I am 13 years old. Okay, all together. 1, 2, 3. I am 13 years old, or I am 14 years old. Okay, don't forget years. Okay, years, not 13-year-old. No, 13 years old. Okay, we can talk about that later on using the S to the last of the year word. Okay, but anyway, how about my hobby is? All together, Futan-chan, my hobby is what? Dancing. Okay, playing computer mobile games. Yes. Okay, you can say that. You can say that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. My hobby is. Okay, playing computer games or playing basketball, playing football, dancing. What else? Anything that you like, anything that you love to do. Okay, and then my favorite subject is. All together, Futan-chan. My favorite subject is.
My favorite subject is
Okay, I say it slowly. My favorite is. Oh, English, very good. Okay, her favorite subject is English, obviously. Yes. All right, one more. My favorite subject is. Okay, English. You can choose math if you like math. You can choose science if you like science. You can choose art